in Delhi for questioning in the alleged 17,000 crore rupees loan fraud case. What is the procedure? What does it entail? And how will the investigation be proceeding from here on? Shrimi is joining in with all of those important details.
Yeah, that's right. Anil Ambani questioning is underway. And what we are picking up from the insiders that, he soon after he arrived, he been made to, sit for 15 minutes, and then he has been taken to the interrogation room. There is a separate room where all these money laundering questioning happens. So he's been taken there, but there is no lawyers or any associate is there with him. Right now, the questioning is underway, and what we are also learning at this point that he could perhaps come out at the lunch break from the ED premises, and post-lunch, the questioning will resume. The important fact here is that whatever statement he is recording, because everything is getting, both audio and visual is getting recorded, so it's permissible in court, unlike the usual police complaint where you can tweak and alter the statement. But in this case, it's clearly admissible in court. You cannot alter once your statement is recorded, and that is very crucial, and that is only allowed in the PMLA. The key question which ED official is asking at this point on, some of the major allegation, we have been reporting about it, and first up is, of course, the quid pro quo between the ADAG group of companies and, Yes Bank Rana Kapoor, the entire circular lending, the way Yes Bank, sanctioned and disbursed loan to Reliance, and then it came back to the, Rana Kapoor family offices is something ED is going to question. The second important aspect, that how the entire loan being sanctioned to multiple ADAG group of companies has gone to several shell funds, diverted to several shell funds, and that is why the ED also summoned, key executives of Anil Ambani to kind of get sense that how they planned this entire modus operandi and the complex web of transaction. And the third, of course, is the fake bank guarantee is what ED has highlighted. In fact, we have seen the Bismal Trade Link promoter getting arrested last week. He is the person who actually, facilitated the entire fake bank guarantee to secure the tender, the government tender, which is related to Reliance Power. So some key allegation, of course, Anil Ambani has to face and to answer and to reply and to give statement on those allegations is what indication we are getting. And once he will come out from the premises, we'll get more. We are, tracking closely this development. But one thing is very clear, that ED will be trying to establish the money trail, that where the money headed to, the proceed of crime and the amount, because right now we are talking about 17,000 crore of the illegal loan fraud.